Probiotics play a massive role in your overall health, and the lack of proper probiotics may be the reason that your health is not thriving. Hey Wellness Warrior, is the topic of probiotics confusing to you? You hear terms like microbiome, prebiotics, and probiotics, and you're wondering, what are all of those different things? Well, I'm here to clear this up for you and make it super easy to understand. So let's first start talking about the microbiome. What is it? Well, living inside your body, there are trillions of microorganisms, and it's so interesting. These tiny microbes include bacteria, parasites, viruses, and even fungi. Now, this sounds awfully gross and a little bit unnerving, right? But here's the good news. Most of the trillions of microbes that are inside your body, they're not harmful at all. In fact, they perform a lot of really essential functions, such as digesting your food, making vitamins, influencing your metabolism, detoxifying carcinogens, repairing your gut. And here's something that's very important that they do. They activate and help you build a robust immune system. And who doesn't want that right now? You have to think about this. 80% of your immune system is located in your gut. So when you look at all the autoimmune disease out there today, well, what's happening? Very poor gut health that's causing a lot of these issues. So now that we discussed that, let's talk about prebiotics, because prebiotics, you're going to find out, are very important. Prebiotics are food for the bacteria and other healthy organisms in your gut. These are components of the foods that your body cannot digest. Prebiotics stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria, making them crucial food for those specific strains that you want in your body. So if you want the good healthy strains in your body of bacteria, you have to feed them appropriately. And if you don't feed your bacteria in your body properly, essentially you'll get a whole bunch of bad strains you don't want. So some of the top ways that probiotics and prebiotics have been shown over time to improve your health are in these ways. So the prevention of colorectal cancer, which is wildly on the rise, so that's amazing. Protection from undesired organisms living inside your body. Okay, this is important. If you don't want the bad stuff living in there, you have to have the good stuff to protect you. It protects you from inflammatory bowel disease, relieves constipation, improves brain function, prevents obesity, and supports weight loss. And this is cool because they found that you take certain strains of probiotics and it helps you lose weight. You don't even have to exercise. And that alone was enough to help you lose weight. Now, prebiotics and probiotics also improve absorption of nutrients, and they may lower your cholesterol, according to some of the research. So once again, these prebiotics are important. Don't sleep on them. So now let's talk about probiotics, because probiotics are live bacteria that, when consumed, provide health benefits to your body. These good bacteria help eliminate the bad bacteria that can be harmful and cause illness. So probiotics are really necessary if you want to return your gut balance to a good, healthy place when you're unwell. Probiotics keep you healthy by stimulating your immune system and fighting off pathogens that can make you sick. That's why probiotics are very important when you combine them with prebiotics. Now, the difference between probiotics and prebiotics is quite simple. Prebiotics acts as a food for the probiotics, so they help improve the balance of microorganisms. Interestingly, much research strongly supported using prebiotics before strong research came out supporting probiotics, which I found so fascinating, because for the longest time it was like, everybody needs to take probiotics, right? But nobody was talking about prebiotics when the research was pointing to them. So prebiotics are very important. And I find that a lot of times when I make recommendations to my patients to take both prebiotics and probiotics, they end up sticking to the probiotic, but they think that the prebiotic is just kind of a waste of their time. But I'm here to tell you, you need both of them. So don't conveniently forget the prebiotics, because you need them. Now, the prebiotics are foods like greens, onions, garlic, bananas, and other dietary sources. Probiotics, those are found in foods that are like sauerkraut and yogurt, so your fermented foods. But why are both prebiotics and probiotics so important? Well, we'll get to that in just one moment, but first, a word from our sponsor. This video is sponsored by MyBiome. MyBiome covers a complete range of next-generation prebiotics and probiotics to enhance your overall health. MyBiome's years of research have led to patented processes and formulas uniquely designed to improve your microbiome health and overall wellness. MyBiome makes supporting your microbiome so easy. Do you have poor skin health? Well, try the Skin Biome Kit, which offers a supplement and a topical probiotic lotion for your skin. Now, do you want to focus on improving your immune system? Then try the Immunobiome Kit that features prebiotics and probiotic strains that are scientifically proven for development of a healthy and ever-protecting immune system. MyBiome also offers kits like Neurobiome to support neurological well-being or Terabiome to support building a robust microbiome with organisms derived from the soil. I don't just use any probiotic, I use the ones that work. And you should too. Use code Dr. Nick to save 20% on MyBiome pre and probiotic sets today. Stay on the razor's edge of amazing gut health and use code Dr. Nick on your very own MyBiome kit. Click the link in the description below to save 20% on your MyBiome kit today. So why do you need both prebiotics and probiotics? Well, it's because getting a substantial dose of prebiotics will help make your probiotics more effective. You may in the past have underestimated the need for sufficient amounts of prebiotics, but hopefully you now realize that they're incredibly important in order to help the probiotics both survive and flourish within your gut, right? If you're taking the probiotics but not feeding them properly, it is a little bit of a waste of time. In today's environment, it's really impossible to get all the prebiotics and probiotics that you need only from your food. This is why problems like irritable bowel disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and colon cancer are dramatically rising. The extremely high use of antibiotics along with pesticides and herbicides in small amounts in your food, well, this is destroying your microbiome. Okay, this is a real problem. And your gut health is critical because, as you now know, it impacts every aspect of your body, including your brain, your thyroid, your immune system, and also your metabolism. This is why I believe it's so important to take probiotics regularly. I'm Dr. Zyrowski, and if you like this video, I think you'll really like this video over here next.